Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an Amazon affiliate link to Shopify. This is a great way to monetize your store by promoting products from Amazon and earning commissions on sales. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to shopify.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your store's dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on Products. This is where you'll manage all the items in your store, including the affiliate products you're about to add. Next, click on Add Product. This opens up a new product page where you can input all the details for your affiliate item. Now, while keeping this tab open, add a new tab in your browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Sign in with your credentials to access your Amazon account. Here's something important to note. In order to enable Amazon affiliate links, you must have an Amazon affiliate account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up for the Amazon Associates program first. This gives you access to trackable affiliate links that earn you commissions. Once you're signed into Amazon, click on the search bar at the top and type in your preferred product. Hit enter to see the results. Browse through the options and click on the product you want to promote. This takes you to the product's detail page where you can find all the information you need. Now copy the title of the product from Amazon, go back to the Shopify tab and paste this title into the title field of your new product. This keeps everything consistent and helps your customers know exactly what they're looking at. Head back to the Amazon tab. In the upper right area, you'll see a button that says Get Link. Click on it and copy the affiliate link that appears. This is the trackable URL that will earn you commissions when customers make purchases through it. Switch back to Shopify and in the description field, type Buy here. Highlight this text, then click Insert Link. A field will appear asking for the URL. Paste the affiliate link you just copied from Amazon into this designated field. You'll also want to add a link title, for instance, Buy here, and then click Insert Link. This creates a clickable link that directs customers straight to the Amazon product page. Now go back to Amazon and copy the description of the product. Return to Shopify and paste this description into the description field. This gives your customers all the details they need about the product without you having to write everything from scratch. At this point, you'll want to complete all the other details for your affiliate link. This includes uploading product photos, setting pricing information if needed, and filling out any additional fields that help present the product professionally. Take your time with this step to make sure everything looks polished and complete. Once you've finished adding all the necessary information, look at the top menu and click Save. This publishes your product with the Amazon affiliate link embedded, making it live on your Shopify store. Your customers can now click through and purchase, earning you affiliate commissions in the process. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated an Amazon affiliate link into your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.